Samsung is working on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and there are some interesting design changes this time around. The edges of the phone are going to be rounder, but not as much as some might have expected. A recent render from IceUniverse gives us a first look at these changes, showing how the phone's design is evolving. The corners of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are a bit more rounded, but not too much. It's still got that boxy look similar to the Galaxy Note 5, which is good because it avoids being as round as iPhones or Pixel phones. This new design fixes the sharp corner issue from the S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra looks more like the regular Galaxy Note 20 from 4 years ago, rather than the Note 7 that some people were expecting. The bezels are thinner and the frame is slimmer. When you compare the S25 Ultra with the S24 Ultra side by side, you can really see these changes. Apple is expected to shrink the bezels on their upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, aiming for the thinnest bezels ever on a smartphone. However, in a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll notice that the S25 Ultra actually has slightly thinner bezels than the iPhone. So it looks like the S25 Ultra might end up having the slimmest bezels on a smartphone. Keep in mind, this is just a render, not an official image, but IceUniverse is usually accurate with Samsung leaks. IceUniverse also rendered the S24 Ultra before its official reveal, and it was incredibly accurate. Overall, I'm happy with how the S25 Ultra's design is coming together. I love boxy phone designs, and I'm glad the S25 Ultra is keeping that classic Galaxy Note look. It also seems like Samsung is increasing the display size of the S25 Ultra to 6.9 inches, which is interesting because the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have the same screen size this year. Additionally, the S25 Ultra with the Snapdragon Agent 4 is rumored to introduce a cool feature called GPU interpolation technology. In simple terms, this new AI feature helps make your games look better by sharpening the graphics. If a game's visuals aren't as clear as you'd like, the AI steps in and improves them by adding details it thinks should be there. Basically, it's like AI upscaling for games. What's exciting is that with this new AI technology, you might be able to play games like Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution and 120 frames per second on the S25 Ultra. That's a big improvement compared to the 60 frames per second you get on the S24 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This means your games will not only look smoother, but also feel smoother. It gets even better. This AI-powered upscaling, combined with the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, could bring PC and console-level games to the S25 Ultra. We've seen something similar with the iPhone 15 Pro, which can run big titles like Resident Evil 4 Remake and Assassin's Creed Mirage. And here's some good news for those with the S24 lineup. This AI upscaling feature might not be limited to just the S25. The same tipster mentioned that this AI upscaling feature could also come to older chips like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 through a software update. So if you have the S24 or another device with the Gen 3 chip, you might get this cool feature without needing to upgrade. For more updates about the S25 Ultra, click here, and I'll see you there.